Today's Jag is a 1966 E-Type Series 1 Roadster. It was long-term owned by a gentleman in Ohio for some time prior to being purchased by one of our good friends and clients here on Long Island. It has been kept in his collection for quite some time, and only recently has it been traded to us in a multi-car trade towards another one of our automobiles from our inventory. We're going to test it out, take it for a run, and hope it's been as good as it has been to the previous owner, to us now, and then to the new owner. Okay, well, here we go. We left the shop earlier. We started the car. It was not cold. It was lukewarm. And then, for some reason, the video stopped working. So I wasted my entire video up till now. So, we're going to do this again. We're going to discuss what a great E-type this is. A wonderful machine of mobility, really intelligent it is. Long-term ownership it has had, public history, and a service history. The fact that everything is working. We've already tried all lights, signals, hazards. Everything. Gearbox really well. It tracks exceptionally well. It brakes exceptionally well. It turns exceptionally well. But all the rest of it time. It's full. Firing up, sticking with the golf club, tennis club. The vintage road rally, eligible for a hell of a lot of really cool events. And we're going to take it over to the farm road, the FFR road, put it through its paces, bring it back to the homestead, Autosport Designs, clean it up, and once again, and as usual, offer it to market for the taking. Let's go first gear while we're running. So, first gear synchro is great. We can get on it first. Second. So happy to have everyone with me today for the flybys from inside the car as well. Those flybys. We look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you.